So you got a flat tire on your riding lawnmower. Yeah, everybody does. Lawnmower tires are cheap. The wheels are cheap. They are tubeless. They're not high performance tires. They're going to go flat just from turning real sharp in the yard and getting crud down inside the bead. It's just hard to keep air in them. With them being tubeless, really the best way to fix it so that they don't go flat is to put a tube in it. So that's what I'm going to do today is go ahead. One of mine goes flat. I'm going to go ahead and put tubes in both of them. Should be pretty easy to do. We'll see. So stick around. Let's figure that out. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. There, that'll keep that from slipping back down through there now. I've got it way overinflated right now, intentionally. I want to see if I've got any bubbles. No bubbles, no leaks. Should be good. I would be surprised if I did, but all right. I don't see anything. I think we're good. I'll let the air down to where it needs to be. See where we are. Oh yeah. 25 pounds. Air down so we can go off-roading. All right, that's got us at about 12 and a half. That'll work. So good. Let's mount it back on the lawnmower. All right, and there you have it. A little more challenging than what I thought it was going to be, but not too bad. So if you've got a flat tire on your riding mower and you keep having to air it up, chances are you don't have a hole in the tire. Chances are it's the bead. It's just not seating on the bead. The most permanent way to fix a riding lawnmower tire is to put a tube in it. They are tubeless tires and they just don't hold air. That's just kind of the way it is. I'm going to do the other side. I won't bother filming that. But if you got a flat tire on your riding lawnmower, hopefully this will help alleviate that problem for you. It is Saints football Sunday. I've got this wrapped up. I'm going to go watch the football game, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Once again, I'm Brian. This is the Daily Brew Garage, and I appreciate you watching. I hope it helped. See ya.